Alright guys, DCN here with another quick tutorial, and today I'm going to show you some really neat YouTube tricks. And let's get started. First we'll go to YouTube, and if you're into making GIFs or GIFs, I don't know, it's pronounced different ways, here's a neat little trick you can use. What you do is you'll go right up here to your search bar, you'll tap it, highlight it, get rid of this, and then type in the word GIF. Hit enter. And it brings us right here. So from there, what you'll want to do is you'll type in the URL of a video that you want to create. I've got one here already set up and ready to go. So I'll highlight this, copy and paste. And then it's going to bring up your video. Give it a little time to render, pull it up. Alright, now from here you can choose which part of the video that you want to animate. And I believe the one I wanted to do was right about in here. Yeah, okay. Alright, so I like the part where this guy falls right here. So what I want to do is I want to highlight that and get it set to right where I want it. And the controls are right here. You can mess with these to get it right where you want it to be. And let's see here. Shorten it up a little bit. Bring it back. Right about there is where I like it. Alright, so from here you can go over to the captions and you can type in whatever you want, and I'll say something like fall into the week, like this. And then you can set that to be aligned to the bottom, the top, center. I think I like it on the bottom. Let's say you're done with it, that's how you want it. And what you'll do next is you go right up here to the top right and click create GIF. And then it's going to do its thing right here and render. And keep in mind, this whole program is free. If you like it, you can pay for it. I believe it's like $8 a month. And then if you want to type in some tags, you'll do that right here. And what you do is click next. And then here's the part right here where you can get it for $7.99 a month, 7-day free trial. And we'll just use the free version for now. And there's your GIF. And then here you have the options to post it to Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, Blogger, any of your social media sites that you have, and it gives you links to directly post or whatever, however you want to do it. And then you have the option here to download. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and post this to my Facebook group. Click there. Alright, so what I like to do is post this to my group, and we'll share it in the group. Type in the name. There it is. Alright, and then we'll just go ahead and post that to the group. And there you have it. Now now we'll just head on over to the group page. And it looks like that posted just nicely. There it is. I've already got a comment. It's already been seen by 3.